Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10 settings. Windows 10 comes with an advanced settings called hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, which can boost gaming and video performance using your PC's GPU. We will guide you on how to enable the feature and thereby potentially get a performance increase on your Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one start button, then click settings. Under Windows settings, click on this one system. In the left sidebar, ensure display is selected, and on the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one graphics settings link. In case your PC supports, you will see a toggle switch here, something like this. You need to toggle on this one switch that says reduce latency and improve performance. You will need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect. Once you toggle on this one switch, just restart your PC to apply these changes that will improve gaming performance and video editing on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.